Howdy and welcome to another video with me. I'm Nick and this is London Creative. Over the last few weeks we've been doing a lot of out and about in London videos, walking the capital ring, and not so many creative things. So today I thought I'd just equal up the balance a bit and get back to one of the things I really love doing on this channel, and that is flow art. I've got my paints, I've got an old canvas I'm going to reuse, and we're going to experiment. I found some of these random little cups the other day, which have got two sort of pots, two holes. I'm going to try and fill one pot with one colour and one with the other, and then when we pour and mix, see what happens. Let's get on. Okay, so we have this. We're going greys and oranges and pinks. Orange in the middle. This is this weird greenish grey colour. And a lot more pink. A single drop or two of silicone oil in here. I'm going to pour, or shall I flip? I might flip. I'm going to flip it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Don't know so far. Complete. Here's an experiment. I was just trying to straighten the board and I just broke it in half. This is one of the hearts from the Valentine pour that didn't work. Now I've got to grab a crack down the middle. Might as well see what we can do with it. So I was trying to straighten it. I bent it and it cracked. So I think we're going to go orange, pink and silver down this side, and greys and gold down that side. I'm going to go up and then across and in. Okay, it needs some bleed, it needs some crossover, I can see that. Yes! Oh god, mess all over there. I'm all just covered in paint. Last one. I've seen people pour paint across, but I've never seen anyone move the canvas, spin the canvas. Right, this is going to go very wrong very quickly. Probably would help if it wasn't on such a slippery surface. Kind of worked. Well, it kind of worked. I think it sort of not bad in pieces. That doesn't, it probably works better on that side, but it's not bad. It's dried okay, it's interesting, but probably not going to use much of this. The spinning the canvas rather than spinning the paint kind of worked. It sort of dried a bit spread. It's okay, it's not bad. It was worth an experiment, but I think this was the one that worked. Which way up is it? Yeah, that way. I can sort of see a horse here and maybe two horses fighting. So that's not bad. It came out okay. So that's another experiment in flow art for you. And there are quite a few of my paintings still available up on Etsy. And so should you want them, links are on the link tree. And I hope you liked this, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought and tell me other things to try in the comments down below. And if you're not already and you like a bit of creativity, then click subscribe. Also, if you like being out and about in London and seeing the sights and sounds of the great metropolis that I live in, then you've got 2 channels for the price of 1 in London and being creative. It saves you subscribing to 2 separate channels. So yeah, I hope you like this, and I hope to see you again soon. Until then, bye! I don't know what that was. Yeah, blew the middle out of the straw. There's 2 of these actually. Yeah, get off. Why will you not come apart? Get. Weird noise. Ping.